Hello everyone, myself Monisha Charya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm here to talk to you about the treaty that is in this water treaty between Pakistan and India. So basically from in 1914 to 1918 First World War took place, and from 1939 to 1945 Second World War happened. And during that time period, every country was fighting for power or other thing. But in 1950 1995 World Bank Vice President said that till now countries fought over power, oil, nuclear weapons, etc., but the war of next century will fight over the water. And I think his word have gone in right direction, because and in this valid treaty conflict between these two countries, India and Pakistan, is a major issue now in these times. On 14 February 2019, Pulwama attack took place, and after this attack, on 21st February, India Water Resource Minister, who was Nitin Gadkari, tweeted that our government has decided to stop our share of water which used to flow to Pakistan. We will divert water we will divert that water from eastern rivers and supply to our people in Jammu and Kashmir and Pakistan. Reacting to Gadkari's statement, Pakistan Federal Minister of Water Resources Faisal Wawda, Wawda questioned India's intention to stop the flow of water and warned that any Indian misadventure will be remembered by seven generations of their country. In basically, we will now talk about the history of Indus Treaty Water, how this happened. In 1960, India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistan President Ayub Khan, with the help of World Bank Organization, signed the water sharing treaty known as Indus Water Treaty, Sindhu Jal Samadhi. In this water system have six rivers flowing: Sindhu, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, and Sutlej. World Bank, through this water sharing treaty, divided these six rivers into two parts. First was Pakistan Western River System, under which Indus, Jhelum, Chenab came, and the Eastern River System, which comes under India, have Ravi, Bias, and Sutlej. Total in this six river there is 16.8 crore acre feet water, and out of which the rivers under India have only 20%, and in other side Pakistan have 80% of its water. While signing the treaty, India knew Pakistan is getting more benefit from this treaty. Still, we agreed to sign, as we thought after this treaty Pakistan will feel secure and would not involve himself in any type of hostile activity against India. The western side of Pakistan river, no consumption use can be utilized by India, which means in that river we cannot make any irrigation system or storage system, but other uses than that we can use their water. This Indus Water Treaty is one of the most successful treaty under international community, because after having four wars between these two countries, this treaty was still surviving. And At today's time, we are actually utilizing only 3.1 crore acre feet water, and rest of the water 6 to 7%, which is of India only, is used by Pakistan as we send that water as it is. So after the attack on India, that 6 to 7% of water which was sent to Pakistan is now planned to be utilized in our own country. So for using the unutilized water in development process of India, three projects are started. Sahanpur Kandi project, Satluj Byas Link Punjab project, and Uj Dam in Kashmir. So Pakistan and India relation have not only affected the both the countries, but it have also affected the citizens who are living in these two countries. In the end, though a treaty only works as long as its participants help to make it work. So India and Pakistan both need to work to make this treaty easily flowing and keep going. So, and at the end, we can say that, as our Prime Minister said, Narendra Modi ji said, water and blood cannot flow together. So we need to stop. These countries need to stop their activities, or I can say Pakistan need to stop the hostile all the activities they plan against India, in order to make this treaty still ongoing and successful. I hope you have understood this topic. For more such information, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.